Alright, I'm doing number 3, and I'm doing slope formula. Slope of AB, and I'm doing A is 1 and negative 2, B is 13 and 4. Yeah, and X1 is 1, Y1 is negative 2, and X2 is 13, and Y2 is 4. So then 4 minus negative 2. I got that because you have to follow this step. Yeah, that step. So Y2 goes first. So Y2 is 4. Then Y is negative 2. This is what I did. So that equals 6. Then X2 is first, so it's 13. Then X1 is next, so I get 1. So 13 minus 1, I get 12. And I simplified, so I got 1 over 2. That equals AB. Okay, now I had to do BC. So X1 is 13 and Y1 is 4. And X2 is 6 and Y2 is 8. So it's Y1 has to go first, so it's 8, and then next is Y1, so it's 4. Then the bottom it goes 6 minus 13. And so you have to subtract the top one. Oh shoot, top one. So that equals negative 4. And 13 minus 6, that equals 7. That's BC. Next is CD. So X1 is 6, Y1 is 8, X2 is negative 2, Y2 is 4. So Y2 is first, so it's 4. And then it's Y1, so it's minus 8. Then it's X2, so it's negative 2. Then you have subtract by 6. So so you have to subtract 4 minus 8. That's negative 4. And negative 2 minus 6 equals negative 8. And simplified, so it's negative 2 over 4. Then I simplify again, so it's 1 over 2. So that's CD. And now it's DA. So X1 is negative 2, Y1 is 4, X2 is 1, and Y2 is negative 2. So Y2 goes first, so it's negative 2 minus 4, and that equals positive 6. Then it's X2 minus X1, so it's 1 minus 2. So I got 6. So yeah, I got 6 over 1. That's DA. So parallel lines have the same slope. A, B, and CD are parallel to each other. Okay, so this is formula. So I'm doing AD the legs. So it's 1 and negative 2, and D is negative 2 and 4. X1 is 1, Y1 is negative 2, X2 is negative 2, and Y2 is 4. So this is formula. So hold up. Okay, so we have to subtract. So it's negative 2 minus 1 equals negative 3. That squared, I got 9, positive 9. So then we have to add 4 plus 2, you get 6. and you have to square 6, so it equals 36. So 9 plus 36 equals 45. Then I simplified it by 6, I think. Equals 9.5, and then that equals 3, and then the D, 5. Then set to CB. C is 6, 8, B is 13, 4. X1 is 6, and Y1 is 8. X2 is 13, Y2 is 4. CB equals, so I have to do the distance formula, yeah. And 13 minus 6, so I got 7. And 4 minus 8, I got 4. So I had to square 7, I got 49. And negative 4, I had to square, I got 16, so that equals 65. So yeah, and legs, AD and CB are not the same. ABCD is a trapezoid because it has only one pair of parallel sides, but it is not. And Isosceles trapezoid because the legs are not congruent. Stay classy.